I am making a fridge magnet today using a printable. If you are new here, my name is Denise, the Crafty DIYer, and if you want easy crafting ideas using printables, then stick around and give us a follow. This is going to be a good one. All right, let's get to it, ladies. So, like I said, this is really cute, and I bought a whole bunch of these, and they're flat. It's just like a hard piece of cardboard with a canvas on these, and I really like these to make these fridge magnets. And I have this one on my fridge. I love this saying, so we're going to use that one today. I thought what I would do is I would show you another way to use your keepsake box printable. And all I did was I printed it out, and we're going to use this part here. This is it here. So that's the inside of the box because it's a 4x6, and this is 4x6, okay? So we're going to attach that here, and then what I did was, this one is part of Focus of the Good collection. But well, why don't I just cut this out, and we're going to attach this here, pretty little bow and some bling, and this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. I think this is really good for, I mean, obviously for yourself, but if you're doing any selling, gifting, anything like that, how pretty would this be to gift to somebody? A lot of you saw my post yesterday. I bought a church. Yeah, this girl bought a church. It is a renovated church. We are pretty darn excited about it. And I'm going to bring you along the whole thing. So I don't get to move in until September. And it's already done. I don't have to do a darn thing to it. And this you can do this idea for any printable, guys. Any 4x6 piece of paper. So think about what printable you could use this on, right? All right, I'm going to put this on here. It's going to overlap a little, and that's okay. We just happened to see this listing, and literally within 2 weeks, everything was done. So it moved very quickly. And I don't know about you guys, but when that happens to me, that means we are doing exactly what we're meant to do. So, and the best part, well, the best part, I mean, there's a lot of best parts to this, but I get to bring you guys along because the basement, it's like a whole apartment down there. The Crafty DIYer is going to be in the lower level. So let's put some ink around this. How many of you guys have fridge magnets? Is that still a thing? I think it is. I mean, I still have fridge magnets. Do you guys? Let me know in the comments. If you don't want to turn this into a magnet, you could hook on some string and make a little wall hanging. Okay, so there we go. So I've added some age to this. And then I cut this out from Focus on the Good, so we're going to apply that there. All right, I'm going to put this right in the middle. Okay. Isn't that pretty? So we're going to put corner protectors. I think I'm using the rose gold, but let's see. We have 4 different types here. I think the rose gold, because the rose gold kind of goes with the butterfly. It's a little pinky. Either one of these is going to work. All right, let's get those out. I need 4 of them. 2 and 4. So I have to maneuver these to get this in here. I just need to kind of roll it out a bit. You could use a pencil or something, just whatever you can to just kind of pull it up. Yeah, and then that should go in right there. Give it a squeeze. You don't even need to use glue. I think I'm gonna, we have a sweet neighbor across the street. I think I'm gonna give her this. So I got these, I think I got these from the dollar store. Now, before we put the magnet on, I do want to add, I want to add some ribbon. So I have this, it's a little piece of material, and I just turned it into a bow. You could put it up here or here. I think I'm going to put it here just because the stems, and I think that looks sweet there. This one, see, I put one at the top. Oops, that's a lot of blue. That's a lot of blue. Pop that there. So when I used to sell these things, I would finish the back. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? I love it.